bet you I'm gonna get more push-ups. Oh! Ha! I won! Do.
Let's not be mean about it.
If she wasn't being mean, I was okay with that.
Whoa, look how much storm is going on outside.
Whoa, can I see? I really want to see. Ooh.
It seems like we're gonna have a tough night. I did not expect this to happen.
Oh no! We're all gonna die! Don't say that!
Girls, I have an idea so we can get some light back. Look, these toys of yours light up, right?
Yeah.
So what if we take one, press the light up button. There, we've got some light. Here, guys, get in the blanket.
Okay, I'll do that.
Now we're all cozy.
Yeah, but it's still scary. Yeah, this light is orange, it's not white, and it's scary.
Yeah, I agree, yeah. Yes, this light may be a little orange, but that's because it's a toy and it's not meant for a flashlight, but at least we have light, right?
Yeah, I guess so. Scary. Yeah.
I have an idea. How about we, do toy shadows?
Toy shadows!
Yes, toy shadows. They're where you put a toy in front of the light and see their shadow. Ooh. What toy first? The fox. Got it. Hold on, I think there's a switch on this to make it perfect. White light. And it's brighter. Also, I found a flashlight.
Woohoo! Yay!
Oh, the light stopped being white and so bright. But that's okay, we can still see the shadow.
Ooh. And then can we do my dolly?
Sure.
Now can we read a story? I'm getting a little scared. Yeah, me too. I think that's a good idea.
Sure thing. Here, could you give me the flashlight?
Yeah.
Ooh, my phone flashlight should work. I'll be reading Hug Time.
Oh, yay.
Big dogs love hugs, and so do puppies.
Yeah, they do.
Other animals like hugs too.
A goat, a lamb, a pig, whatever that is.
There are many kinds of hugs.
There are?
Yes. Large hugs.
Aww.
Yes. And little hugs.
Aww.
Silly hugs. And sweet hugs. Yeah, that one's my favorite. Surprise hugs. And even sleepy hugs. Hug time. Did you guys like it?
Yeah, we did.
No. I'm getting kind of sleepy.
Yeah.
Well, it's about bedtime, so I'll play you your lullaby. Puff the Magic Dragon. Okay, let me get it started.